Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Eero Secure for improved smart home security. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Eero Secure for improved smart home security, start by ensuring your Eero app is installed on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Eero app and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the settings icon, which typically appears in the upper right corner. Tap on the settings icon to access your network settings. In the settings menu, locate and select the option for Eero Secure. You will see the current status of your Eero Secure subscription. If an update is available, you will see a prompt or notification indicating the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the update. Once the update has started, wait patiently as it may take a few minutes to complete. After the update finishes, the app will notify you that your Eero Secure is now up to date. To confirm the successful update, review the features and settings available within Eero Secure. Take a moment to adjust any security features according to your preferences. Consider enabling advanced features such as threat scans or content filtering for enhanced protection. Finally, regularly check for updates to ensure your Eero Secure stays current and effective. Follow these steps to maintain the security of your smart home network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.